Ladies and gentlemen, Sunita Bhuyan all the way from Mumbai with her great team from Mumbai and Odisha. And we won't let them go away without acknowledging their wonderful work here tonight. Sunita, you were absolutely lovely, especially the Bollywood tracks. I loved it. You were lovely all across. May I invite on stage Mr. Brahma Mishra of BATE Logitech to kindly acknowledge Sunita and her team tonight for being such great performers here. Shri Brahma Mishra ji, thank you. Mr. Brahma Mishra, a moment for you. Sunita Bhuyan, all the way from Mumbai. Great performer, great artist. And to Bhushan ji. Bhushan ji, you were wonderful on the tabla. What great music tonight. And Shri Jyoti Shankar Patnaik from Odisha, from your state. Thank you, Jyoti Shankar ji. Come on, friends, a big round of applause to our great performers tonight. Sunita, you were fabulous. Don't forget, she has a CD which is in the stall from Times Music. Pick up one. It's lovely music. Do you have some of that music in that CD, Sunita? Of the music you played tonight? You do? Okay. Thank you. Well, don't go anywhere. You're going to see something absolutely smashing now. I want you not to leave the hall, because if you do that, your friends will tell you what you missed. So don't go anywhere. Thank you. Here, Sangeeta. Of course it is, of course it is. But today, you know what, Sangeeta? I felt very little, very small. Because there was a serious challenge to our profession, at least to mine, from Dilip Kumar ji, who did such a wonderful job with Shabana ji. Dilip Kumar ji, you were great. Let me go to him actually, and actually congratulate him. Many congratulations. Let me interview you, you know. How long did it take to prepare for this special session with Shabana ji?
About half an hour.
About half an hour. Now, you got the answer. Now you know who's professional. Wonderful.
Yes, and we were here, I think, burning the midnight oil, doing what we're doing now. So we only hope that we're able to do justice to this. Yes, we really feel honored to be entrusted with this pleasant task. And ladies and gentlemen, like Romy just made a mention that there's something in store for you that absolutely is going to be a visual treat for one and all here. And it is a pleasure and honor for me to introduce you to our next entertaining act, and it's an international one. So ladies and gentlemen, it is said that when passion is stirred with brilliance, the results exceed expectations. Well, our performing artists, they have been on TV, international shows, and across Europe. Yes, they are here from Russia's Got Talent, a reality show, very much on the lines like we have here in India, India's Got Talent, and they are the winners of Russia's Got Talent. Like I said, they've traveled across Europe and the globe. Moving beyond the conventional dance, performed on foot, Duo Happiness performs with every part of their physique. And ladies and gentlemen, tonight, Teflas and Times of India brings to you the worldwide passion, the worldwide marvel here in India. So all you have to do is tie your seatbelts, yes, as we all get set to blow you and dazzle you off completely with their sheer power and genius. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome the duo Happiness here on stage. Can we have a round of applause?
Come on, get your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful duo Happiness, all the way from Russia.
You know, they were completely, it's like explicit belief that they have for each other, which is how they could really perform like this. Ladies and gentlemen, do you agree with this? You completely have to believe in each other. There's so much of love which you could actually see besides, you know, the power excellence performance which we just witnessed. Well, coming back to, like I was saying to Romy, that, you know, it is always a pleasure to be hosting evenings like this, because it is here that we actually get to meet and greet and be inspired. And the best part about hosting an evening like this is when I am asked to step down here and speak to my wonderful people who've patiently been listening to me. Right, Romy? So what do you think, you know, our wonderful audience here, the first ever Think Literature 2012, you know, it's when the woman goes talking, the gentleman has to keep quiet, though he's trying his level best. You can surely barge into and say anything that you'd like to, because I'm sure I'm not going to give you any opportunity to do that.
Thank you, Sangeeta, for giving me the opportunity. But I want to talk to a very special person on what she did and how she did what she did. Ladies and gentlemen, Sunita Bouillon, can I have you here, please? Yeah, I want to talk to you. You did a great performance for us. Please come right here. Can you hand her over the mic, please? This is Sunita.
I thought they'd seen enough of me for about
They have
40
seen
minutes.
enough of you and they heard your music. They are saying no. You want more of her? Hang on. Let us listen to this. You want more of her?
Yeah, very much whole night we are here to listen to you.
Thanks, ma'am.
Did you hear that?
You did the right Assamese dance moves. Yes, Romy, what did you want to ask me?
Sunita is not only a musician or a singer and a high caliber violinist. She comes from a family of great traditional music. She is also somebody very special in the corporate world. Right, Sunita? And the last that I had known was she was somebody very big in a very big organization. She's a HR person. And tell us something more about that part of your life, Sunita.
Yeah, I was working for about 18 years as an HR professional and realized that wherever you go, whichever industry you're working for, whether it's an organization, a family, a social group, a cultural group, or even a spiritual group, human emotions are the same, dynamics are the same, and the stress levels, whether it's positive or negative stress, are the same. So I realized that I was not very good in managing large teams and working on numbers because, you know, music actually makes you numerically challenged because you're always doing so much of number with the tal and the beat and the notes that you completely lose all numerical abilities. So that's the easy route I took, and I started teaching human resources, leadership, learning to the medium of music. Like there's theater that people use a lot in the corporate world today. Theater to emote out the emotions. Theater to help you enact the various situations in the workplace. So I thought, why not use music as a learning medium? First, it helps you de-stress, become a very holistic human being. And also the lessons of the music world help you to be really good leaders. Or even if you're not one, you become one. Because you have to manage the stage, the audience, the musicians, the sound, and you realize one thing, which is that anything in the world, any craft is not an individual journey. It has to be in collaboration with the teams around you and people around you. So music has taught me the biggest lesson of life, which is partnerships, collaboration, and assimilation. So that's what I try and do on stage whenever I can.
And that is wonderful. You also, Sunita, we're not going to leave you so soon. Tell us about your family.
What's this, Romy? Is there something else coming up on the stage? Yeah. I'm a very simple Assamese girl living in Mumbai for the last 13 years. And my husband is a farmer. He works in a tea plantation. And I have a 13-year-old son. I'm very worried and very scared that he will not become a musician, but I can't force him today because I'm sure you know you cannot tell children what to do. And I don't want him to become a teenager hostile towards his mother like I was, because she forced me and said, I'll break your legs if you do not play the violin and do anything else. So I don't want him to go through that torture, but I hope he'll come into his own and learn music, because I know music helps you become a stress-free individual and helps you mix with people easily. So that's all about myself. And I come to festivals like this whenever I get an invitation, and I earn my living through workshops and music.
Wow. So, something more about Sunita is that very, very recently she was in Goa performing for a very, very august audience. We are indeed very lucky to have her here. And some of the people who were in the audience, I understand, was Shah Rukh Khan himself. Am I right? The very great Anna Hazare ji. And I was not there, I was not invited. Who else, Sunita?
It was a festival of 3 days, and there were people thinkers. There were people like Bob Geldof talking about the journey of music.
Bob Geldof.
Yeah, there was SRK who talked about his journey as a superstar. Then there was Anna Hazare who said, Janta ka sangeet sabse acha sangeet hai. And yeah, those were the experiences.
Great.
Can I go back to my seat and I think I've earned my supper for now, Romy. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. That was fantastic.
That
And
was-
Romy, rather, I would like to just step into a little more forward and speak to a couple of my wonderful audience who've been here through the day with us. And the gentleman here is still thinking about something while we were having a conversation. Right? So, you've been here since morning?
Yes, I am.
And this is the first ever Think Literature that we've organized. What is that you had, what's your take on this, and how do you really feel at a festival like this, and how important do you think it is for all of us?
For me, it's a big, big opportunity because I think one of the youngest positive around. So I see Padma Vibhushan in front of me, Padma Shri in front of me, NSD के director बैठे हैं, and great people like this. It's almost surreal for me.
So it's also a great networking platform. You absolutely know what's happening in the entire arena here, in the literature arena, you know, how people are really progressing and how things are happening. Fantastic. Well, the lovely ladies seated here, they look so beautiful in those wonderful, very traditional saris, looking so nice. Ma'am, are you really enjoying this evening? And when it comes to the performances that you've just seen, of course, you've not only seen and heard Sunita, but you've got to know a little more about her. But how about the international act? Did you really like it? And have you seen something like this ever before?
Never.
This was like actually defying gravitational force, isn't it? How do they really do this? This is amazing.
It's really wonderful.
Wonderful. So it's like a lot of knowledge with this kind of an entertaining act, which is absolutely, you know, completely different, nothing, you know, something that we've not really seen before. Isn't it a fantastic feeling? Ma'am, how about you? What's your take on literature?
It's really a fantastic evening. For the first time, I have just come over here and I have attended this type of things.
Whatever, you can't wish on anything, but you can't stop wishing. It was like we all journalists, any media practitioner, they have to go somewhere by their editorial policy. But at freedom of speech as individuals, you know, almost all media houses now are commercial. They invest money, as you know, in crores, and they want to earn money, and they have got some affiliation to some political party or something like this. But as individual journalists, individual persons, shouldn't have anything individually. You should have any freedom. You should go by being biased. Whatever they want, you should go. Because you know what we have been taught, that freedom of speech is more important than anything else. For the sake of society, for the sake of democracy, should you not define the editorial policy sometime to bring out the truth in the press as media persons? First. The second question is, Government of India till today has not permitted news in radio. What are your comments on that? Thank you.
Of the company in the non-that. You see, there is a limit. So basically, I think there is also need to shake all illusions about media. That they are free. They can get away with anything easily. Either to my own standard or to somebody else's standard. But my job is to ensure the truth is out there about the. In fact, I am told that there is a thinking already within the ministry to consider that proposal. Why are you scared of identifying yourself? Either you are scared or you want to
end this session now. A big hand to our panelists. We are behind schedule. I would like to now welcome them to Nandita ji, please. Big hand, Nandita ji, for your participation. Thank you, Mr. And I request Nandita ji to kindly give this gift, another gift to Dr. As much as we want to continue this session, which was really very interesting, we had to cut it short due to time constraints. I'm sure.
What is the other text? The original. The deep sea where ideas swim. Waking life is also a translation of the dream. But translation means human beings speak different languages. The need for translation will continue.
A round of applause for Mr. Harish Trivedi. So let's hear it louder. Professor Harish, the nation across the world, post-colonial literary representation, 2007.
As always.
So Professor Harish Trivedi in conversation with Sitakant Mahapatra. So can we have a round of applause? Padma Vibhushan, Sitakant Mahapatra has to his credit over 15 poetry collections, 5 essay collections, a travelogue, over 30 countries, the Salzburg, the cover and the full bra. And now with that, I'd like to hand over the stage to Mr. Harish Durgani.
Thank you very much. This panel, there has been some uncertainty, so that I'm here in a double role. I should not say this. It wasn't clear about this panel as to who the moderator would be. As you see, your programs is not listed. I will therefore exploit that we did not wait in this festival to come to this session to begin talking about translation. So many authors jumped. This is a wonderful thing. This proves to me and to you the importance of translation, the pervasive presence of translation. I mean, to compare translation in this day and age to a woman who can either be beautiful and I want you to give an anti-hand to that film. Boom! This is very evil. She talked about mutilation in that script. We are not outdated and totally misleading ideas of translation. Having said the scene, may I now get to the business of hand to talk this story, part of which she read out this morning, and of the very intimate relationship between husband and literary scene, if not the most distinguished, Sita Kanta Mahabharata. It's a privilege to be on the same panel with him in the same auditorium. And one thing I came last in March, I think it was, to deliver the Gopinath Mohanty lecture, memorial lecture, which I thought was one of the greatest honors that has been done to me. It was such a distinguished audience. Every writer and teacher worth his name was there. But that did not happen. We are happy as we are. We are happy to be all of the languages big brother and therefore enemy. English is hated and Hindi is expert. And we have cultural pride. Are a wonderful thing to behold for any outsider. And you have plenty to be. Sachidanand Mohanty, teaching in Hyderabad for many years, is recently completed term as the head of the English department there, is himself robustly through his own translations and critical works. But I'd like to begin by asking Professor Sita to speak on. We will listen to whatever he speaks on, to what he wishes to say to us, would be translator. His volume of tribal poetry from this region, I actually cited from his translation of his collection of short stories called Ants by Gopinath Mohanty. Key is, if we use the old-fashioned kind of imagery, both the hunter and the hunted. I would like him to comment on his experience of this.
Whatever I have translated is because of a genuine love for this subject. My translation has been two major areas. Some from Korean into English, and more than that, from different tribes of other languages.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନମସ୍କାର। ଭୋକ ବେଳରେ ଗୋଟିଏ କବିତା ହିଁ ବୋଧହୁଏ ମୋ ସ୍ୱର ଜଣାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ହେବ। ମୋ କବିତାର ଶୀର୍ଷକ ତିଳୋତ୍ତମା। ଧାରାବାହିକ କବିତାର 46 ନମ୍ବର କବିତା। ଦୁବର ଲୁହରେ କୋଉ ଦେବତା କାନ୍ଦିଛି ଯେ ତା ଦୁଃଖରେ ପୃଥ୍ୱୀ ହେବ ଦିଫାଳ। ଦୁବର ଲୁହରେ କୋଉ ଦେବତା କାନ୍ଦିଛି ଯେ ତା ଦୁଃଖରେ ପୃଥ୍ୱୀ ହେବ ଦିଫାଳ। ସେ ତ ଉଦାସୀନ ଉପେକ୍ଷାର ଭାଗଫଳ, ଲୁହଧୁଆ ସକାଳର ଦୁଃଖ ଫଳ। ରାତିସାରା ଆଉଁସୁଥାଏ ଫଟା ଘା, ସକାଳକୁ ରକ୍ତ ସିକ୍ତ ଫାଟି ଫାଟି ଫାଳ ଫାଳ। ଫଡ଼ା ଫଡ଼ା ଫାଡ଼ୁଥାଏ ନିଜକୁ, ଚିରୁଡ଼ା ଚିରୁଡ଼ା ଚିରୁଥାଏ ନିଜର ଅସ୍ତିତ୍ୱ। ଢିଙ୍କିରେ କୁଟୁଥାଏ ଗୋଡ଼, ଚକିରେ ପେଶୁଥାଏ ହାତ। ଚବର ଚବର ପାଣିରେ ଚକଟୁଥାଏ ଦେହ, ଚୁପଚାପ ସହି ଚକ୍ରବୃଦ୍ଧି ଦୁଃଖର ବେଲଣା ପାହାର। ଚକା ଚକା ବେଲୁଥାଏ ଓ ବାଣ୍ଟୁଥାଏ ଭଗ୍ନାଂଶ ନିଜର। ପଟେ ପୁରୁଣା ସୁନା ଚୁଡ଼ି ପରି ଘୂରି ହେଉଥାଏ ସିନ୍ଦୁରିତ ଭୋରର ସଧବା ପଣରେ। तो केबे केबे विधातार भूल घसी घसी लिभौ थाए जेते सबु सुख चित्र ईश्वरी पालटिबार श्वेतांबरी दुखरे बेले बेले देवी परी सजेई साजेई ठेली दिया जाए ताकु ठाकुराणी परी महिषासुर मानक मेल को नकली दश भुजरे धरेई मिछि मिछि का अस्त्र ओ कुरुपति मानक रंगशाला को देहरे बेढ़ेई मिछ प्रतिश्रुतिर 55 कोटी वस्त्र केबे पवनर दुष्टामी रे पाचिला पत्र परी झड़ी जाए ता देहरु लाजर ओढ़ना तो केबे अनिच्छारे भी अंकुरिबाकु हुए पिंधि नव पल्लवर गहना केबे निज ओठरे लिपस्टिक बोला हसटिए परी तो केबे कहा काच कांथरे सुदृश्य प्लास्टिक लता परी झुलु थाए ता जीवन केबे निज ओठरे लिपस्टिक बोला हसटिए परी तो केबे कहा काच कांथरे सुदृश्य प्लास्टिक लता परी झुलु थाए ता जीवन केबे पुणी कहा मेहगानी पलंकरे बिछना परी लुटु थाए ता मरण ना ता जीवन तार ना ता मरण तार ना ता जीवन तार ना ता मरण तार तथापि बेले बेले ता देहर बंदीशाला रे गढ़ा हुए ईश्वरंक एंतुड़ीशाल ना ता जीवन तार ना ता मरण तार तथापि बेले बेले ता देहर बंदीशाला रे गढ़ा हुए ईश्वरंक एंतुड़ीशाल। धन्यवाद।
परवर्ती कवि अपर्णा महांती ओडिशा साहित्य एकाडेमी प्राप्त कवि खूब पाठक प्रिय पूर्णतमा नष्ट नारी असती एमती किछि नूतन धरणर कविता आम मन को भेटी देथिबा कवि अपर्णा महांती को कविता पाठ करिया पई निमंत्रण करूछि।
सबु कविता प्रेमी विदग्ध श्रोता को मोर अभिनंदन और प्रणाम। कवितार शीर्षक कविर कांद। केबे हेले कवि को पचार नहीं से कांदुची काहीकि। केबे हेले कवि को पचार नहीं से कांदुची काहीकि। जेमिति प्रार्थना को पचरा जाए नहीं परिचय, मृत्यु को पचारि हुए नहीं समय, सेमिति निशर्त वेदनार गुप्त गंगारे अहरह तर्पणरत कविर हृदय। केबे हेले कवि को पचार नहीं से कांदुची काहीकि। से निज पाई हेउ कि जगत पाई कवि परी केही एते अधीर होई कांदी पारे कि। कविर अश्रु सरसिरे ही गोटी गोटी शब्दर श्वेत पद्म फुटे। सबु बेले स्वच्छ शुभ्र अकपट अंतर को भल पांती जेउ ठाकुराणी कविर लुहधार रे तांकरी आगमनीर दिव्य सुवास चहटे। कविर मर्मभेदी हाहाकार विपंचीर झंकार परि शुभे। सर्वस्व तुच्छ करिदेई कवि परा झरा गंग शिउली परी से ठाकुराणी पाद तले लोटे। जानिछ कि कवि भी सबु बेले निजको पचारु थाए जे ताकु एते कांद कांद काहीकि लागुछि। धन जन गोपलक्ष्मी सबु किछि छी करि देई से काहीकि दिन राति प्रेम खाली प्रेम आउ प्रेम को भाबुछि। से कांदिले काहीकि कांदुणु मांदुणु दिसंती गछलता। झर झर वर्षा झरे आकाशरू काउ कोइली गुमसुम होई बसंती मन मारी। प्रेमर भी कौन गोटे संसार अच्छी सतरे। प्रेमर भी कौन गोटे संसार अच्छी सतरे। कवि छड़ा केही ताकू संभाली पारे कि। केबे हेले कवि को पचार नहीं से कांदुची काहीकि। धन्यवाद।
कवि को पचार नहीं से कांदुची काहीकि। तेबे कविर कांदिबा एवं कवि को पचारिबा ए दुईटा अनवरत चली थाए। मु परवर्ती कवि को डाकिबी जी गोटे विशुद्ध कवितार जीवन जीवंती निज नीरवतार कवि के श्याम बाबू तोरा नीरव निभृत अपरिचित इलाकार कवितार जीवन बंचुवा कवि श्याम बाबू तोरांकर परवर्ती कविता सबुज संकेत।
मोर कवितार शीर्षक सबुज संगीत। सबु मृतक जे मरी सारी थांती ठीक सैया नुहे। यही तो टिके पूर्वर कथा होउथली स्वर्गत बिस्मिल्ला खान को सह तांको मुख निसृत प्रत्येक शब्द जेमिति रूपांतरित हो जाउथला संगीत रे ओ शुणु शुणु मु जहा पालटी जाउथली छळ छळ खंडे पथर मौन नीरव उदार पथर हेई मु अवश्य चलाबुला करि पारुथली स्वच्छंदरे। पथर हेई मु अवश्य चलाबुला करि पारुथली स्वच्छंदरे। चालू चालू पहुंची जाउथली सेठी जोठी पृथ्वीटा थिला एकदम सागुआ। सेठी प्रत्येक प्राणी गोटे गोटे उद्भिद सेठी प्रत्येक प्राणी गोटे गोटे उद्भिद कि प्रत्येक उद्भिद थिले गोटे गोटे प्राणी। उपरे पशु पक्षींकर मुंड तले देह थिला गछर। पक्षींकर देह सारा फूल फुटी थिला अजस्र। पशुंकर गोड़रू बाहरी गभीररू आहुरी गभीर को माड़ी जाउथिला चेर। मो परी जड़े बेघर लोकर या भितरे केमिति केजाणी तैयारी हो सारी घर जहा अवश्य भिजी जाइथिला लुहरे हेउ कि वर्षारे। हेले घर तो सबु काले घर मु पछे थाए भोकरे घरे महजूद थिबा मुठाए भात को आने मंजी परी पतुसी माटी रे। काले भातरू चाउल चाउलरू धान और धानरू गछ ही पृथ्वी पुणी थे दिशिब सहज सुंदर। मोर द्वितीय कविता निज दर्पण रे।
Only one poem, please. Thank you.
परवर्ती कवि प्रीतिधारा सामल आम मानठू बेस दूर रे रुहंती सुंदर कविता लेखंती। तांको कविता रे अनेक समय से परिपर्श एवं समय प्रतिफलित हुए। तांकर प्रीतिधारा कविता सलप गछ।
कवितार शीर्षक सलप गछ। ता बयस केते मु जाने ना हेतु हेबा दिनु ताकू देखी आसीची आकर्षित हेइची। ता बयस केते मु जाने ना हेतु हेबा दिनु ताकू देखी आसीची आकर्षित हेइची। सीए मते स्वप्ने इची पुलकित करिची करिची विमोहित। सीए मते स्वप्ने इची पुलकित करिची करिची विमोहित। सीए ठिया हेइची आकाश सह मुहामुही। सीए ठिया हेइची आकाश सह मुहामुही। चेर लंबी जाइची अतल तल पाताल को। केउ दधिचींक हाड़े तियारी तार मंज जे केउ दधिचींक हाड़े तियारी तार मंज जे केते झड़ तोफान बात्यारे भी काणीचाए नई पड़ी नाही केते बेले। आलुलायित केश उडुची पवन रे। आलुलायित केश उडुची पवन रे। तपस्या स्थिर सन्यासिनी पोको को डाकुची आ। पक्षी की डाकुची आ। साप को डाकुची आ। ନେଉଳ ଗୁଣ୍ଡୁଚୁଙ୍କୁ ବି ଡାକୁଛି ଆ। ତପସ୍ୟାରେ ସ୍ଥିର ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସିନୀ ପୋକକୁ ଡାକୁଛି ଆ, ପକ୍ଷୀକି ଡାକୁଛି ଆ, ସାପକୁ ଡାକୁଛି ଆ, ନେଉଳ ଗୁଣ୍ଡୁଚିଙ୍କୁ ବି ଡାକୁଛି ଆ। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହାବସ୍ଥାନ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଗେଇ ଦେବ ଛାତିର ନିରାପଦ ଭୂମି, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଆଧାର ପାଇଁ ଝରେଇ ଦେବ ଦେହର ରସ। ମଥା ଉପରର ଅସଂଖ୍ୟ ତାରାଙ୍କ ସହ ତାର କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା, ମଥା ଉପରର ଅସଂଖ୍ୟ ତାରାଙ୍କ ସହ ତାର କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା, ଶିରଶିର ପବନ ସହ ତାର ଭାବଦୋସ୍ତି। ସେ ଗାଏ ବିଜନ ସୁଖର ସଙ୍ଗୀତ, ତାର କିଛି ଯାଏ ଆସେ ନା ତା ପାଇଁ କେଉଁଠି ଲଢ଼େଇ ହେଲା, କେତେଟା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଗଡ଼ିଲା, କିଏ ସେ ମାତାଲ ହେଲା, କାହାର ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲା। ତାର କିଛି ଯାଏ ଆସେ ନା ତା ପାଇଁ କେଉଁଠି ଲଢ଼େଇ ହେଲା, କେତେଟା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଗଡ଼ିଲା, କିଏ ସେ ମାତାଲ ହେଲା, କାହାର ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲା। ଅଳ୍ପ ଅଳ୍ପ ମରଣରେ ସେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ମରେ, ଅଳ୍ପ ଅଳ୍ପ ମରଣରେ ସେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ମରେ। ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କଟା ହୁଏ ତା ଦେହରୁ କିଛି, ସେଇଠୁ ଝରେ ରସ ଅମୃତ ଜୀବନ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ସଞ୍ଜୀବନୀ। ସେଇଠୁ ଝରେ ରସ ଅମୃତ ଜୀବନ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ସଞ୍ଜୀବନୀ। ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ତାରକିତ ଆକାଶ, ମିଠା ମହୁର କୋମଳ ଗାନ୍ଧାର, ଏବଂ ହଜିଯାଏ ଦୀର୍ଘଶ୍ୱାସ ଅଭିଶାପ ଆର୍ତ୍ତନାଦ ଓ ଅନ୍ଧାର ରାତି ବିସ୍ମୟର। ଆଜି ଆଜି କେଉଁ ଡାଳ କଟାଯାଇ ବନ୍ଧା ହୁଏ ଠେକି, ତ କାଲି ଆଉ ଏକ ଡାଳ। ଆଜି କେଉଁ ଡାଳ କଟା ହୋଇ ବନ୍ଧା ହୁଏ ଠେକି, ତ କାଲି ଆଉ ଏକ ଡାଳ। ଯୋଗ ସାଧୁଥାଏ ନିର୍ଲିପ୍ତ ଯୋଗିନୀ, ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ରସ ସୁଖେ ମହୁ ସୁଖେ ଦେହ ସୁଖେ, ଶୁଖିଯାଏ ଡାଳପତ୍ର, ଶୁଖିଯାଏ ମନ୍ତ୍ରମୟ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନର ଝର। କଟି କଟି ସରି ଯାଇଥିବା, ମରି ମରି ବଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥିବା ନିର୍ଜନ ଥୁଣ୍ଟା ଗଛର ଶୁଖିଲା ଡାଳରେ, କଟି କଟି ସରି ଯାଇଥିବା, ମରି ମରି ବଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଥିବା ନିର୍ଜନ ଥୁଣ୍ଟା ଗଛର ଶୁଖିଲା ଡାଳରେ ପକ୍ଷୀଟିଏ ବସି ରହିଥାଏ ରିକ୍ତ ବିମର୍ଷ ମୁଦ୍ରାରେ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
ବାସ୍ତବରେ ଏମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ କିଏ କବିତା? ସଲପ ଗଛ, ତାପରେ ବସିଥିବା ପକ୍ଷୀ, ନା ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ? ତେବେ କବିତା ସବୁଠି ଥାଏ, ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ ଥାଏ ବର୍ଷାରେ, ଏବଂ ବର୍ଷାରେ ଭିଜି ଭିଜି ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ କବିତା ଲେଖିଥିବା ଓଡ଼ିଆ କବି ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଶକ୍ତି ମହାନ୍ତି। ବୋଧେ ବର୍ଷାକୁ ନେଇ ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ ଭାବପ୍ରବଣ, ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ ଆବେଗାୟିତ ହୋଇଥିବା କବି ଶକ୍ତି ମହାନ୍ତିଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଡାକୁଛି, ସେ ପଢ଼ିବେ ତାଙ୍କର କବିତା ବ୍ୟାଗ। କବି ଶକ୍ତି ମହାନ୍ତି। କବି ବୋଧେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କବି ଭାବରେ ମୁଁ ଆମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କରୁଛି କବି ସୋମା ଚାନ୍ଦକୁ। କବି ସୋମା ଚାନ୍ଦ, ସେ ପଢ଼ିବେ ତାଙ୍କର କବିତା କଳୁଷିତ ପୁଣ୍ୟ।
सम्माननीय समवेत बुद्धिजीवी को मोर प्रणाम। कवितार शीर्षक कलुषित पुण्य। गाढ़ आस्तरण रे मते भेड़ी रही मोर कलुषित पुण्य। गाढ़ आस्तरण रे मते भेड़ी रही मोर कलुषित पुण्य। मो संसार, मो पेशा, मो कर्म किताबर एक लंबा चित्रगुप्त इतिहास। मो संसार, मो पेशा, मो कर्म किताबर एक लंबा चित्रगुप्त इतिहास। ताठी निकिटी रही किता किता हिसाब मो निर्मल भावमूर्तिर। किता किता हिसाब मो निर्मल भावमूर्तिर। ताठी खोदेई रही अंटिकटा कुटी काम। ताठी खोदेई रही अंटिकटा कुटी काम। सतरे पूर्णिमार जह्नटा गोटाए कलंकित राम नाम। गोटाए कलंकित राम नाम। ताठी खुंदी जाइछि पृष्ठा परे पृष्ठा मो सच्चट पणियार गौरव वर्णाली। ताठी खुंदी जाइछि पृष्ठा परे पृष्ठा मो सच्चट पणियार गौरव वर्णाली पलासर धू धू निया निष्प्राण निष्प्रभ तिक्त जल छवि निष्प्राण निष्प्रभ तिक्त एक जल छवि ताठी नेसी रहिछि परस्त परे परस्त ताठी नेसी रहिछि परस्त परे परस्त मो मनीष पणियार साधु आलेख्य मो मनीष पणियार साधु आलेख्य मलिन विच्छन्न गोलाप चोराबाली रे घुरी बुलुछि समय सागर स्रोतर नीरव अभिशाप समय सागर स्रोतर नीरव अभिशाप भाराक्रांत भाराक्रांत नियुब्जमु भाराक्रांत नियुब्जमु पुण्य प्रहार रे मानवता शून्य छिन्न सबटाए विश्वग्रामर विज्ञापनी चौहदी मानवता शून्य छिन्न सबटाए विश्वग्रामर विज्ञापनी चौहदी कवितार इंग्राजी अनुवाद माय इविल वर्च्यू
मैडम प्लीज केवल ओडिया एटा केवल ओडिया सेशन थैंक यू
मु आ गोटे कविता
केवल
काजल सिंह से मते बारंबार अनुरोध कले
मैडम प्लीज 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 हम समस्त पे गोटे नियम करिबा नहीं प्लीज प्लीज सुनतु माने समस्त पे हम गोटे समान नियम रे जिबा
ठीक अछि
थैंक यू
धन्यवाद
आमे वर्तमान आम संगरे श्रोतांक मध्यरु अनुरोध रु जणे खूब छोट पिला जी लिखिछंती कविता हर्ष पटनायक he studies in standard 8 he is only 12 years old and it's an English poem एकमात्र व्यतिक्रम छोट पिलाटी पई is he there हर्ष पटनायक खाइबा पई जाइछंती ठीक अछि ताले वर्तमान हमें नई ना और नाउरियार कवि रवि शतपथी को कोरापुटरू आछंती रवि शतपथी को आमंत्रण करछु
नई ना ओ नाउरिया मो कवितार शीर्षक केते दिन हैला आउ बसिनी से नारे केते दिन हैला आउ बसिनी से नारे केते दिन हैला सुनी पारिनी से नाउरियार गीत जेउ गोटे परिचित घाटरू किछि दोद चिन्हा मुह साथे ओल्हेई आसिली सेदिन किए गले कुआडे केही भी मागिले नाही कहार ठिकणा सेदिन आसिला बेलकु मझी नई रे कहिथिला नाउरिया बापरे जेते बेसी बेसी माया सेते बेसी बेसी लोभ ओ दुख सूर्य डुबिबा आगरु बहुथर कहलिणी एमानंकु हेला बेसी हेला तम अनाबिल स्नेह श्रद्धा अतिथि सत्कार एबे मते छाड़ी दियो घाटरे टिके हाथ धरी बसई दियो से नारे नाउरिया को कही देई आस एई सेई पुराणा लोक जी थरे आसीथिला तम नारे मोर एई बाहुडा बेलरे रुह आउ टिके रही जा कही केही सुनिलेनी मो कथा हठात काहींकी के जानी घरु पाद काढ़ी देली बाहर को दांडरे जाउथिबा लोकमानंकु डाकी डाकी मन खोली कहीदेली आज काहींकी के जानी दांडरे जाउथिबा लोकमानंकु डाकी डाकी मन खोली कहीदेली आज काहींकी के जानी बेसी बेसी मने पड़ुची सेई ना नई आउ नाउरियार कथा सेई ना नई आउ नाउरियार कथा धन्यवाद
नई एवं नाउरिया को नहीं कविता परे किसी स्वप्नर कथा कह जाओ अनुरोध करछि कवि स्वप्ना मिश्र को से पढ़े तांकर कविता कवि स्वप्ना मिश्र मत लगुच कविता लंच ये सब जो मिशामिशी जो फेंटा फेंटी अवस्था ता भीतर कविता सब बेले गोटे भयंकर दुर्घटनार शिकार होता है परवर्ती कवि भाव में मु आमंत्रण करुच्ची रामकृष्ण महांती को। रामकृष्ण महांती रहती फुलवाणी रे। फुलवाणी सहर रु आसथिबा कवि रामकृष्ण महांती तांकर कवितार शीर्षक होची गराख खोजा।
मो कवितार शीर्षक गराख खोजा। हस्तांतर हेबाकू अछि माओवादी आक्रमण रे गाँ दांडरे मरी पड़िथिबा मनीषटीर 40 वर्षर स्वप्न एवं कंधमाल दंगारे पोड़ी जाइथिबा घर मानंक पाउंस गदा तले पोती होई पड़िथिबा धर्म नागर मणि ओ जातियाण बाघर नखदांत। भाग बांटिबार अछि अर्थनीतिर प्रतिकूल स्रोतरे पहरी 17 वर्षर अहोरात्र शिक्षा साधना परे युवगोष्ठी अर्जन करिथिबा सर्टिफिकेट बंडिल रो दुस्सह मनस्तत्व एवं मास मासर श्रम परे अमल सुना फसलर अभावी बिक्री पाई अंटा भांगी धाड़ी बांधी थिबा कृषकर आत्मदाह देखैबार अछि যৌতুक छंचाणर रक्ताक्त चंचुरु भाग्यवशतः खसी आसीथिबा कुनमुनी बहुटीर बाकी थिबा सुदीर्घ आयुष एवं शिक्षा विभागर जावतीय श्रुगालंकर रेकार ध्वनि रे मुकबधिर पाल्टी जाइथिबा ससाराम घरोई कॉलेज रो गोती अध्यापक कहिबार अछि हीराकुद और इंद्रावती पुष्कर विस्थापित लुहर इतिहास कलाहांडी बलांगीर और कंधमाल भूकर भूगोल जाति धर्म और श्रेणीभेद नहीं राजनीति दंगार गणित एवं अहंकार अलंधु अंधार रे बाट हुड़ी जाइथिबा भाषा और साहित्य बुझेबार अछि मंदिर मस्जिद गिरजारे बंदी थिबा ईश्वरंक अवशोष धर्षिता ननर दागहीन अंतवस्त्र शिशु श्रमिकर बिंडी पड़ी आसीथिबा कांध हॉस्पिटल रो आंब गछ तले बुला कुकुर माने भिणीबाकू थिबा कन्या भ्रूण तथापि बाहा हेई पारि नथिबा कुमारी वृद्धार देहदाह एवं कोटी कोटी जीवंता कंकालर पेटनाट हा हुताश बंटा बंटी हेबार अछि एमिति केते कण धन्यवाद।
आमे मंचर सुजोग नेउछु दुईटी कविता बही उन्मोचन हेबो वर्तमान आसी पहुंची दूर बनर बंशी कवि मनोरंजन महापात्र तांकर कविता पुस्तक उन्मोचन करने को मंच उपर को आमंत्रण करुछि कवि प्रतिभा सतपथी को। धन्यवाद श्रीमती प्रतिभा शतपथी। मनोरंजन महापात्र को मु अनुरोध करुच्ची जेहेतु सी आसछन्ती मंच उपर को तांका निज कविताटी पढ़ंतु नुआ बहिरु।
आपण मान समस्त को मोर नमस्कार प्रणाम। आज ये शुभ अवसर रे मोर जो कविता संकलन एबे रिलीज हला दूरबनर बंशी ए दूरबनर बंशीर गोटे कविता होची भूल। बेले बेले किछि भूल को सुधारी हुएनी से भूल पाई मनीष को बहुत किछि मूल्य दवा को पड़े। कवितार शीर्षक होची भूल। जो गात सबु से खोली थिला तुम आम भली किछि निरीह लोकंक पाई देख आज केमिति सेई गातरु गोटा करे खसी पड़ी से निजे। जो गात सबु से खोली थिला तुम आम भली किछि निरीह लोकंक पाई देख आज केमिति सेई गातरु गोटा करे खसी पड़ी से निजे। धरा पड़िबा परे दिन दिन धरी जो विचार चली थिला सेई विचार शेष रे मृत्युदाता को आज मिली मृत्युदंड। मृत्यु फासरे झुलुछि आतंकर अन्य नाम अजमल कसफ। मृत्यु फासरे झुलुछि आतंकर अन्य नाम अजमल कसफ। ताकू भी पचरा जाइथिला तार शेष इच्छा। ताकू भी पचरा जाइथिला तार शेष इच्छा। ता शेष इच्छा रे से कोन मागी परिला इंद्रपद ना मुक्ति ना सुंदरी नारी सह रातिटिए सुस्वादु भोजन ना आउ किछि। केवल एतिकी कहिला ता मां को जणै दबा पई केवल एतिकी कहिला ता मां को जणै दबा पई जे कसा बाउ फेरिबो नाही ता कोळ को आउ थरे ए जन्म रे बिचरा अनेक पूर्वरु फेरिथिले अबा आज से पड़ी नथंता अभिशप्त मरणर अंधार खातरे। धन्यवाद।
पुणी थरे एई मंचर सुजोग आमे नौछु। एटा हबो दिस इज एन इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ एन इंग्लिश पोएट्री बुक canvas and color by Ramakanta Das. I would request Professor Jatin Naik to kindly come on stage and release this book. And the poet, of course. धन्यवाद डॉक्टर नायक। मते लगुच आम भितर वर्तमान लंच पर किसी कवि आसी पहुंचती शक्तिमान
नमस्कार। मो कवितार ना बैग। रास्ता कड़ अंधार को लगी टोकाटा चली पैकेट्र शेष सिगरेट जलाऊँची धुआं नाची नाची अंतरिक्ष रे मिसुची डियासिल रे अनेक काठी बाकी पिठी रे नाउ हेइची बैग सेथिरे लैपटॉप भर्ती डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफिस पाई प्रेजेंटेशन बैग रो सामना पॉकेट रे चार्जर बापांक लोचा कोचा हनुमान चालीसा बो देइथिबा ग्राम देवती धंडा अंधार पाई देह पा पाई मझिरे गोटाए फोल्डर दुईटा मैगजीन गोटाए साहित्य आउ गोटे पोर्नोग्राफी पाख पॉकेट रे एंटीवायरस सीडी आउ दीटा टीनेज बीपी ढाबारू आनीथिबा रुटी आ अंडा तड़का साइड पॉकेट रे गोटाए बिस्लेरी आ भितरे अधा बोतल नीब इनर पॉकेट रे डिजिटल कैमेरा अनेक फोटो कॉन्फ्रेंस रो टूर रो फेसबुक पाई पहली वर्षार पार्क पाई टाइम पास पाई नुआ करी पटेइथिबा टोकीर तळकू पड़िछि दीटा पेन ड्राइव गोटे डाटा कार्ड अधराती रे पुलिस धरे बैग अंडाले पीसीआर रे थाना को निए लैपटॉप खोली टोकाटा देखाए टाइप करा कविता प्रेमिका पाई बो पाई मध्यवित्त पाई पहाड़ डंगर पाई पुलिस बेदम हसे भाग साले पदारे सीएफएल जन्ह जलुची पदारे सीएफएल जन्ह जलुची निशाग्रस्त पाद पाई छाया पथटीए तैयार स्वप्न पाई रातिटीए आउ बीर्जपात पाई स्वप्नटीए तैयार पछे पछे कविता हेबा पाई शब्दंक पटुआर धन्यवाद।
So now
is a traditional dance of Orissa. I have often seen Odissi performances by my own friends. In our school, my friends dance to the tunes of Odissi and I have always felt the urge to dance like them. Unable to do so, I have always felt jealous. Then suddenly, I had this thought while I was watching an Odissi performances. I noted down this poem which I am going to recite today. Odissi. Chime of silver bells, gleaming pearls of alabaster, fine strings wrapped around hollow ankle hills.